Hey Siri, take me to Friars Point, Mississippi.
Getting directions to Friars Point.
I believe that's the old Cutler Mansion. Belonged to a old prominent Clarksdale family. And now I think it belongs to the city of Clarksdale. And I believe we're on Friars Point Road. This will take us to Friars Point, Mississippi. This is Coahoma Junior College, or community college. Beautiful campus. Pretty big campus. An old cotton gin, remnants of a bygone era. Settled around 1836. One of the biggest shipping points for cotton south of Memphis before the Civil War. In 1862, General Grant marshaled his forces here before they went to Vicksburg for the assault on Vicksburg. After the Civil War, Friars Point prospered. The railroads came through in the 1870s, and that began the decline of Friars Point as a port. Friars Point was one of the two county seats of Coahoma County until 1930, at which time it had declined so much that the only county seat was moved to Clarksdale. Friars Point was the home to Robert Nighthawk, also Harold Jenkins, also known as Conway Twitty. His father was a riverboat pilot. I believe this was Hirschberg's drugstore. Back in the day, Robert Johnson and other blues players played in front of this store. And this is the mini ball house. And this is the United Methodist Church. This is a pretty little town. That almost looks like a train depot, an old train depot. This is some sort of park up here. He's headed southbound. Now up that way, a few miles across the river, is Helena, Arkansas. Thought I would walk a little bit. In downtown Friars Point. Wanted to show y'all a closer up view of the United Methodist Church. For one, it says it was organized in 1836. The original church was burned by Union troops during the Civil War. A second structure was destroyed by a tornado. The present church was built in 1916. And I swear, y'all, that looks like an old train depot. That's an old church down there. Some beautiful old houses, probably built around the turn of the century. So I thought we would walk down to the mini ball house and see what that's all about. Okay, originally facing the river, the Robinson/Marinelli House bears the mark of shelling from the Union Navy. Built 1850 by Mr. and Mrs. James Douglas Robinson, it's the oldest structure in Friars Point. According to local historians, the house briefly served as headquarters for Union General Napoleon Bonaparte Buford. And let's walk down and look at this old house. This one's quite old. Quite a house. that's it for our tour of Friars Point, Mississippi. Hope you enjoyed the tour. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And we will see you next video.